All right, the next one is going to be NCT. We've been giving this sauce for a while on NCT. It's the one that we looked at it plenty of times too as well. And that already has had a run.
Oh, it has.
A run, come down. So hopefully it has another run because it's not done till it's done, guys. All right. So we're going to be doing live technical analysis on NCT. Let me hand it over to Crypto Papi.
All right. So this is one JJ's got his receipts for. We have Polyswarm paired with the US dollar. Weekly time frame data is coming in from Coinbase. So you could see here when it was listed on Coinbase, it just absolutely tanked, came back down all the way down to the downside. It was listed January 10th, 2022. So we love this coin because it's pump happy. It takes very small volume for huge pumps to the upside, which is a thing of beauty. So, I mean, we could get right into it. Just looking at it again, it's hard to do analysis on. We do have the Fibonacci from our previous swing high, not our most recent swing high. Our swing high is here, March 11th, 2024. Swing low is right here, August 5th, 2024. And we have it extended out. You could see we just textbook. We played around. We came down to our zero movement, little resistance of the 236 before finally breaking through it. Broke above it, retested it as support before breaking above it, so on and so forth. Our 618, our 786, our one movement, breaking a nice high, moving above our one movement of our 618. We went all the way up to about 11 cents before crashing back down all the way to the downside. Found some support at our 236 level. Broke above it, broke below it, broke above it, sat on it, broke above it before coming back down to the downside. So this is definitely one where we could say, hey, we were buying the lows, taking some profit on the movements to the upside, buying in on the lows here on the retracement to the downside, and then plugging in our, hey, you think it could go to our red box at 6 cents? Let's put some sells there. Top of it, say 7 cents. Our one movement at about 8 cents. And let's go crazy. Let's look over here. Let's see these levels. Let's look at this wick here from January 17th, 2022. See where we could potentially get some sells going there. And that's exactly what happened. And JJ took advantage of it, not financial advice, took advantage of it and put those profits into other tokens like Anvil, our favorite token. I'll say ours. I'm dragging you into it with me. Our favorite token. So it's all about not necessarily accumulating token when you are taking profit to reinvest into that same token and look for another movement to the upside. Sometimes our attention is elsewhere. Let's take the profits, that 25 or 50%, or in some cases 100% profit, and put it into a different token, a different project, a different setup that has that is that. When this was doing this, we had Dash at its close to its all-time lows. Not really, but at its low movement, at its one movement, at its zero movement of the Fibonacci before it put in that nice 400 or 500% movement to the downside. So you can't just get caught hanging on to bags because you love them. You need to have your money working as hard as it can at all times for you. If this made that nice, beautiful movement from these lows here to the low, almost 1,000% movement to the upside, you need to capitalize on that and take that profit and put it elsewhere to where you have other 1,000+% movement setups, and which we covered that in the previous tokens we covered in this live. So that's it for NCT. We're at its lows. We could expect a movement to the 236, movement up to the 618, but it's just like the other tokens we're covering. We're close to its all-time lows on the chart. We're within about 30 to 60% movement to its all-time lows, but we have 1,000% movement to the upside on the table. So you tell me what the best thing to do is in a situation like this. So that's it for NCT. Let's see what JJ's got for our last token to cover.
All right, guys. That was great. That was NCT. We'll be talking about NCT 1 year ago, 11 months ago, another one. Where else?
Oh, go down. There's an algo one you posted.
Yeah,
right there in the middle.
Oh yeah, so we've been talking
Wow.
10 months ago. So we've been talking about this coins, guys. So ain't no secret here, guys. Okay,
True.
it's a secret. It's not a secret until you guys find it, right? So where else? I know we had some more. Another one over here. Yep, 4 months ago. So
NCT, yeah.
we're at it. We're at it. Whenever we talk about these coins, we constantly talk about them. We're not gonna chill poop coins at all. We don't like poop coins. We don't mind them. That's up to you guys. But anyways, that was that for NCT. Good information there.